Assalamualaikum and a good evening to Madam Shamariza and my fellow friends. My name is Radin Nur Shakila binti Radin Hamzah. My matric card number is 23-19F2008. My group member is Izana Shawani and Nur Isha Fateha. So we are from DLS 2B. So we will present about current issues in the global transportation environment, which is latest transportations. So the transportation that we are choose is a driverless bus. What is an autonomous bus or driverless bus? An autonomous bus is known as driverless or self-driving car. It was designed to travel in the absence of a human operator. It is similar to having personal driver, except that this vehicle does not involve human interaction. Having this amazing vehicle gives a person to a sudden advantage. However, this vehicle is still accompanied by disadvantage. So, driverless bus in China, produced by Yutong and leading by a Chinese bus maker headquartered in Zhengzhou, China. Engineer of Zhengzhou Yutong Bus Co., Ltd. is a Mr. Zhang Like. Chinese manufacturer Yutong Bus has a dispatch of 4 electric self-driving bus in an off-road trial project on Intelligent Island in the city Longzilek. The bus called Xiaoyu are at level 4 on the autonomous scale, which means they can drive themselves without any human intervention under certain conditions. Next, 2 staff members are aboard to provide explanation and hit the emergency brake button if necessary. Bus circling a 1.53 km road in the Chinese city of Zhengzhou are offering a sneak peek at what the combination of 5G telecommunication and self-driving technology is likely to bring. The Xiaoyu runs at 20 kph and can travel 200 km on a charge with the air conditioning on. Cooperation with telecom companies China, Unicom and China Mobile has brought super-fast 5G networking to the island, while the adoption of what is known as a vehicle-to-everything communication technology enable remote monitoring and other capabilities. The company has developed a cloud platform for autonomous driving, which involves highly accurate 3-dimensional maps and a real-time monitoring of the bus and road conditions. Okay, I will give the next slide to Izana. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Izana Shawani binti Zulkifli and my matrix number is 23 DLS 90F2010. I will explain the other information about driverless bus. Next is auto parking. The bus automatically finish parking by itself. And then driverless bus had auto charging. Once the bus finds its battery low, it will automatically move from parking place to the charging area. This function will improve the operating efficiency to their station. Next is autopilot. The bus runs along designated routes. It can brake automatically and change lanes when necessary. This was the example of bus charging area. Next is just one click for call the minibus or robobus will come pick you up. Whenever you guys want a ride from this call minibus or robobus, just press once using this call system, like the first picture in this slide. Next, the next picture is example of mini robobus. Next is laser radar. What is laser radar or what function of it? There are 4 laser radar around the bus. It is for detect obstacle. They also have 8 visual sensor. Radar and visual sensor allow the bus to have 360-degree precise measurement of the environment. It looks like the bus has an eyes like those human and detect the information surrounding the world. This is one of the example laser radar. in the driverless bus. So next, I will pass to Nur Isha Fatihah. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Isha Fatihah binti Rahman and my metric number is 23 DLS 19F2026. Next, I'm gonna explain about the advantage and disadvantage of autonomous bus or driverless bus. The advantage. The first one is decrease the number of accidents. Autonomous bus prevent human error from happening as the system controls the vehicles. It leaves no opportunity for disruption, not just like human who prone to interruptions. It also uses complicated algorithms that determine the correct stopping distance from one vehicle to another, thereby lessening the chance of accident dramatically. The second one of advantage is stress-free parkings. Autonomous bus drop you off at your destination and directly head to a detected vacancy. This eliminates the wasting of time and gas looking for vacant ones. The third one of advantage is time-saving vehicle. As the system takes over the control, the driver has a spare time to continue work or spend his time catching up with their loved ones without having to fear about road safety. The last advantage is accessibility to transportations. Because the senior citizen and disabled person are having difficulties of driving, with the autonomous vehicle can assist them through safe and accessibility transportations. Next is disadvantage of autonomous bus or driverless bus. The first one is it was expensive because it uses a high technology vehicle and equipment are expensive. They prepare a large amount of money for research and development as well in choosing their fitness and most functional material needed, such as software, modified vehicle parts, and sensors. Thus, the cost of having autonomous vehicle is initially higher. However, this may lower down after 10 years, giving way for the average people to have ones. The second one is safety and security concerns because though it has been successfully programmed, there will still be the possible unexpected glitch that may happen. Technology are continually updating and almost all of this equipment may have faulty code when the update was not properly and successfully done. The third one of disadvantage is prone to hackings. Autonomous vehicle could be the next major target of the hacker, as the vehicle continues to track and monitor details of the owners. This may lead to the possible collection of personal data. The last one disadvantage is non-functional sensors. Sensor failure often happen during drastic weather. This may not work during a blizzard or heavy snowfall. Next, I will show you the video of driverless bus that exists.